Welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today we are exploring another scent which is a leatherish tobacco scent from Rasasi. This is Yuqawam by Rasasi, and this is the box. It is a wooden kind of box with a magnetic holder in the middle. So if I pull it like this, it is going to open and we have the bottle inside it. Let's grab the bottle. I like the packaging a lot. It is a very nice one, nicely done. Magnet is not too powerful, but it is good one. Now, if you like sweet, tobacco-ish, leathery kind of perfumes, this is one of them. People say that it is also a clone of Tuscan Leather from Tom Ford, and I think this is one of very powerful tobacco sweet kind of perfumes. This is more powerful than Tuscan Leather. So if you have used Tuscan Leather or haven't used it, it is a very sweet raspberry kind of tobacco leather scent which is very smooth, very sweet. So personally, I don't like tobacco scents a lot. This is not one of my favorites, or even I don't apply it at all. So the problem is that I don't like dry tobacco, or you can say the cigarette kind of effect. I like tobacco when it is used in athars, which is a wet green tobacco leaves. That is I love. But the dry leaves or the effect of a cigarette, when you blow a cigarette or use a cigarette and the smoke that comes out, I don't enjoy that. So this is Yuqawam. I'm going to share my thoughts on it. First thing is that it is very powerful than Tuscan Leather. So if you have used Tuscan Leather and if you want to buy this one, never spray more than 2 sprays of this one because it is going to be very irritating for the people around you. Even it is going to have a cloying effect. If I spray this in maybe in the start of winters or maybe in the summers, it is going to be very painful for me. So never try to spray this in summers. Try to use it in winters where it is very cold and if you really enjoy tobacco kind of scents. Now let's spray it and see how it actually works. Okay, in the start it is sweet, a little bit of spiciness, very smoothly blended. It is very close to Tuscan Leather. I think Tuscan Leather is a bit more on the sweetish side. I have sniffed it. It is more on a raspberry side than on the leather or the tobacco side. It is more on sweet leather side rather than on the raspberry side. Very well blended. You cannot pinpoint things. Suede or leather is there. Very nice. Okay, so there are a lot of things that has been listed like leather, wood, jasmine, all that stuff. Jasmine, I think, is there. Whenever you sniff a perfume, the spikiness or the power of the perfume is mostly from the jasmine. I have seen that in a lot of athars. When they make athars, they use jasmine to give it a spike. So the spikiness you feel over here is actually balancing the leather over here, that is jasmine. Also they have listed that you cannot detect jasmine over here. It is really well blended. It is basically an accord. So if I describe this perfume as an accord, I think it is semi-sweet leather with a little bit of spicy, spiky kind of spicy sense. That is it. So don't try to spray more than 2 sprays if you want to go into an open space, like maybe a party where it is done in an open space, in a park or something like that, or in a green field or under the trees. There's a campfire, then you can use this one. Okay, so for me, it is semi-sweet, light kind of sewed leather. It is not too much heavy leather, but it is a lighter kind of sewedy kind of leather, which is not too much thick. So a little bit animalic over here. That is, I think, from the leather. So that is all about this La Yuqawam, and don't try to spray it too much. It is very glowing and very powerful. That is all about La Yuqawam. If you like my video, make sure you subscribe and share this video with others. And this is an honest review. I don't tend to create a hype of a perfume. There are a lot of great reviews about it because it is very close to Tuscan leather, which is very costly. So if you want a cheaper alternative to Tuscan leather, I think this is one of them. So if you like tobacco-ish, sweet, sewed kind of perfumes, this one is for you. Till then, I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.